Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to give you guys a quick portfolio update. Well, not really, just about like the calls that I have open. I still have I still have a bunch of SPY calls that I have open. I still have, these right here that I have open. I have these expiring this week that I have open. Um, what is it called? I actually did open one Helium call for a month out, and I actually opened up a time call also for a month out. I will be opening up more calls, usually about a month out or so, just to kind of like gauge everything. And my big positions right now are still Big C, which is sitting at about 34,000, and then also my RKT position sitting at 58K, which I'm down about 4,600 bucks. And I am still trying to. I mean, I do have calls, and I'm still trying to sell calls on that maybe later today. I don't usually do a bunch of, what is it called? I don't usually do a lot of portfolio updates because I tend to take out a lot of money throughout the week if I made any. So this isn't consistent, right? Like I'll like put these up, but it's not consistent to where it'll actually like, stay on track, right? So my portfolio can vary like hugely within a week or so by a couple grand, just because I take money out if I make money, right? But I just wanted to give you guys a quick portfolio update because a lot of people have been asking, and I'm like, yeah, sure, fuck it, whatever. I'll be updating later today on Doggy, also probably on SPY, and then some other tickers that you guys requested TA for. So I'll probably let you guys know a little bit more today. I haven't been posting as frequently just because work has been absolutely insane. So you guys know that I only post when work is like a little bit on the slow side. And then when I have a little bit more time to actually like talk to you guys a little bit freely. This spike right here is from Doggy right here. That was a pretty nice spike, but it looks like we're heading on back in track. So I'll see you guys later.